Awesome. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chonavek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video, it's a vlog. I'll be showing you, I'll be taking you all along with me and the reality of my life right now. It's not been easy. The struggle is the struggle is, well, don't mind me smiling, but the struggle is something else. So I'll just be taking you guys along with me in my life. Hobby is not around, hobby left, so it's just me and baby girl that is around for now. So I'll be taking you guys along with us to see how our day goes. I have bank errand to run. I won't be using Uber or Taxify. I'll be going with public transport, like jumping from one cab to another. So I'll be showing you guys how that experience is. I've not done that for a very long time, but because of the scarcity of cash, I have to do that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share. Thank you all so much for the love and the support. We really appreciate. Yeah, our hair video will be coming up also, so just please kindly bench on our videos. Yeah, let's get this video started. Bye. So guys, my daughter woke up earlier on. I just had to back her so I can clear the kitchen and do my morning activities, and see if she will try and go back to sleep so that I can continue doing what I was doing before she woke up from sleep. And so just me clearing the kitchen, putting back the pot and the plate that I just washed, putting them back inside the kitchen cabinet. She has not slept yet, so I decided to finish sweeping and mob, normal morning routine you do in your house. Yes, I just mobbing. Yeah. See, she took her bottle, she brought her bottle out from the room. Baby girl is hungry. Come, my love. Awesome. Come to mommy. Come now. Come on. Come. Baby. Morning. Morning, my son, pete. My yo-yo. Omali chamo. So guys, it's time for my workout, and just doing a light, not too much, but a very light workout routine. So I hope you enjoy. So if you can see, my brother came around to help me hold baby girl so that I can go to the bank. Yeah, because I can't carry her to enter public transport. She has distracted mommy from Jimmy. I'm done. This is I think I just call it day one because I just started. So I'm trying to keep fit. Yeah, and we are done with breastfeeding. So I'm also trying to incorporate some diet and the rest. So now I'm done with breastfeeding. Yeah, so keep on enjoying the rest of the vlog. I know I'm not sweating because well, I didn't really do much exercise last month and stroke last year. So this is February. I think today is 9 or 10. Yeah, so I want to start a workout challenge and see if I'll be consistent with it. Yeah, so keep on watching. Yeah. So guys, I got this bottle for water, so I want to be tracking the water I take. It shows how many liters of water you drink, so I got this. So guys, this is me inside the Okada. As I said earlier on, I was taking public transport to go to the bank. So I entered Okada to a bus stop. Then after that bus stop, I had to enter Keke Marwa. If you're in Nigeria, you know what is Keke Marwa. Yes, so I had to enter Keke Marwa along. That is like 3 people is always at the back and 1 person is always in the front. It's a 3-wheel cycle sometimes. Also, this Keke Marwa is also in Indian. So I really enjoyed the ride though because it's part of an adventure for me, and it's been a while I entered this kind of ride. Yeah, so this is me back home, and my princess is just this time. The struggle is real. Being a mom of a toddler, like she always give me seeds, she wants phone, everything. See, the camera listen now has changed. Seriously, like if you're a new mom and you don't have a toddler, please, how did you do it? Because the struggle is too much. I'm tired. I can't be tired of this cute face. See? Cute. So guys, I had to gather strength in my body to take her to the playground because in the bank, wow, it was so hectic. The queue was locked. Like I needed to withdraw money, like to do transfer, and just Nigeria needs change. Seriously, that's all I have to say. So this is my beautiful princess just walking around, just like for her to stop crying and for her to see the environment. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. This is her dinner: spaghetti, chicken, and some carrots, and she really enjoyed it though. No matter she scattered almost all the food, but she ate the what she could eat. Kids. Yeah, she enjoyed her meal. And here guys, so keep on watching. So guys, I was craving for ojobo. It's a native pepper soup. So this is the pepper soup my mom always make for me when she was in Abuja with us. It's mostly for when you give birth and the rest, but I called her and asked her I'm craving for this soup. She was like, oh, there's no problem, I can take it. It's not only for people that give birth. Now I know. So I just did that with some chicken and yam and crayfish and fresh pepper and maggi and salt. That was just simple pepper soup I was just craving for, and I really enjoyed it. So this is the finished look of the pepper soup. So yeah.